Hey there, my name is Teacher Mara. I am your enthusiastic and dedicated English teacher. I took a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English. I've completed 120 hours for my TEFL certificate, which means that I'm qualified to teach kids and even adults. Aside from that, I'm also a private English tutor for almost 4 years, and I've been a practice teacher for almost 3 months. With that experience of mine, I immersed myself in a real-world setting, and I understood the importance of modifying my teaching strategies. During my spare time, I love watching dramas from different countries, such as K-dramas and C-dramas, and I'm already familiar with some of the basic Hangul and Mandarin words. I also love reading books written by my favorite authors. I can sing and dance, which can actually make all my lessons to be more engaging, interesting, and of course, informative. Learning English is hard, but with the help of right teachers like us from Parrots English, you will definitely love to learn it. I'm thrilled to meet you and have a class with you soon. So, come and book a class with me. See you soon and bye for now.